Toyota, one of the largest and most well-known automobile manufacturers in the world, is based in Japan. Founded in 1937 by Keiichiro Toyoda as part of the Toyota family's broader industrial empire, Toyota initially started as a division of Toyota Automotive Loom Works, which was known for its textile machinery. The company's first passenger car was produced in 1936, and it quickly grew to become a key player in Japan's automotive industry. Today, Toyota's global headquarters are in Toyota City, Aichi Prefecture, Japan. It has manufacturing plants and operations in many countries, making it a key contributor to the global economy. The company produces a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars and sedans to SUVs, trucks, and hybrids. Toyota is particularly known for its innovation in hybrid technology, having launched the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car, in 1997. This move set Toyota apart as a leader in environmentally friendly automotive technology. Toyota's commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability has helped it maintain a strong presence in markets worldwide. The company is also known for its production system, the Toyota Production System, TPS, which emphasizes efficiency, quality control, and just-in-time manufacturing. This system has influenced manufacturing practices globally. In addition to its automobiles, Toyota has expanded into various sectors, including robotics, housing, and financial services. It is committed to reducing the environmental impact of its products, with plans to further expand its electric vehicle lineup in the coming years. As of today, Toyota remains one of the most successful and influential automotive companies globally, with a reputation for reliability, technological advancement, and strong global market presence.